Go for it.
So Jose was engaged to Matilda, right?
Yeah.
He came over here. He bought cane farms and sold them off better to make a profit.
Yeah.
And 11 years while doing that, and then he found a perfect spot for this. Then he went home to Spain, and Matilda, his fiance, had married another. So do you know what he did? He got married to her sister. 2009 refurbishments. Didn't work. Too sweet.
Lovely.
You know what's going to have to happen?
You're going to have to go for a swim.
You're going to have to put my feet in.
Yeah.
Right? Wrapped up. But then it went swimming out through the thing, and I was like, ugh.
Yeah, I don't like it. Get out of it.
It's a baby. We just look, they're trying to get out. Oh, look, there's one of the blue butterflies.
Where?
It's on
Get
the
in.
tree line.
Pretty, aren't they?
See, it's weird. Some are orange and some are just full green. That's like,
Wow, that is really high.
that's like 5 meters.